Imagine a world where organ transplants are not limited by donor availability or rejection risks. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Yet the reality of organ transplantation today is fraught with numerous challenges. The scarcity of compatible donors and the ever-present danger of organ rejection pose significant hurdles. Add to this the inherent risks of surgical intervention, and it becomes clear that the world of organ transplants is in dire need of innovative solutions. But what if we could overcome these challenges through the power of biotechnology? Enter the world of bioprinting, a revolutionary technology that has the potential to rewrite the rules of organ transplantation. The birth of bioprinting began with a simple yet powerful idea, using stem cells and biodegradable polymers to create synthetic tissues. These early experiments were the stepping stones that paved the way for the incredible advancements we see today. As the technology evolved, researchers began to harness the power of three-dimensional printing. This process, known as 3D bioprinting, involves layering hydrogels filled with living cells, carefully controlling the parameters to mimic the physiological variations found in natural, healthy organs. This method allows for the creation of complex, spatially organized constructs that can carry multiple types of cells, a crucial aspect of replicating the intricacy of human organs. The continual evolution of bioprinting has led to some truly groundbreaking achievements. Scientists have managed to create rudimentary cardiac patches, liver buds, and even neural networks. These are not just simple structures, but complex entities that exhibit the characteristics of mature tissues. The journey of bioprinting, from its humble beginnings to its current state, is nothing short of extraordinary. With each passing day, this technology is pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible in the realm of organ transplantation. The future of organ transplantation may very well lie in the hands of bioprinting. As we continue to explore and refine this technology, we edge ever closer to a world where organ scarcity is a thing of the past. From lab to clinic, bioprinted organs are not a distant dream, but an emerging reality. The scientific community is buzzing with anticipation as several research teams are conducting clinical trials. These trials aim to assess the feasibility of replacing damaged organs with synthetically derived substitutes. These engineered organs, grown layer by layer, cell by cell, promise to be a great leap forward in personalized medicine. Imagine a world where a patient's cells are used to create an organ specifically designed for their body. This would bypass the long waiting lists, the painful uncertainty, and the risk of rejection. This is not science fiction, but the future of medical science, and it's happening now. The potential of bioprinting technology is vast, offering hope to countless lives touched by devastating illnesses. As we step into a new era of personalized medicine, the potential of 3D organ manufacture is not just transformative, it's life-saving.